Let's learn how to fix the issue of the iPhone swipe up not working. This has probably happened to you, and you didn't know how to solve it. After watching this video, you will know 5 ways to fix it. The first method to solve this is to hard reset your iPhone. You do this by pressing the upper volume button on the side of the phone, then the lower volume button on the side of the phone, and then holding the power button. Keep holding the power button until the Apple logo and a black screen appear. The second method is to go to Settings, and when Settings opens, scroll down. When you scroll down, you will see the Face ID and passcode option, which you should click on. When you click on this option, you might be asked to enter your phone's password or use Face ID. When you do this, a page will open where you need to scroll until you find the section Allow Access When Locked. When you get to this section, you need to turn on the Control Center option, which is the third one in this section. The third method is to return to the main settings page and find the Control Center option. When you find it, click on it, and a page with several options will open. On this page, you need to turn on the option at the top, which is Access Within Apps. The fourth method is to reset all settings. You do this by going to the home page of Settings again and then entering General. When you enter General, a page with several options will open, but you need to scroll all the way down. When you scroll down, you need to click on the Transfer or Reset iPhone option. When you click on this, a page will open where you need to click on the Reset option at the bottom. When you click on this, a menu with 6 options will open, and you need to click on the first one, which is Reset All Settings. If this still hasn't solved your problem, I have one more solution. Check the software version. You can do this by going to General again, and when the page opens, click on the Software Update option. This option is at the top, and when you click on it, a page will open showing which version you have. If you have the option to update, click on it and wait. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.